Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer for EXAIR. As winter approaches, the drier air will allow static to become more prevalent. This will cause issues like jamming, misalignments, surface defects, and shocking of personnel. Static is generated by non-conductive surfaces rubbing, peeling, bumping, and the higher the static charge, the stronger the forces. In this video, I will show the effectiveness of the Gen4 Super Ion Air Knife to remove static and debris. Alright, here's my demonstration. I have a PVC part. I have my power supply, which is going to energize the ion bar to generate positive and negative ions. And I have the Super Ion Air Knife here. I'm going to start this without the ion bar to show just with plain air, and then I will add the ions by turning on the power supply. So we have a static meter where we can measure the amount of static. I have a contamination just to kind of show the attraction. So we do have a static charge. I'm going to turn on the air knife at about 20 psi, and this would be with no Gen4 ion bar being utilized, so it'd be just air. As you can see, the force of the air with the static forces keeps the contamination on there. Now, what I'm going to do is turn on the ion bar to remove the static. With the Gen4 Super Ion Air Knife, we can remove the static and use a reduced blowing force to remove the static and the debris. If you have any questions, you can contact an application engineer at EXAIR at 1-800-903-9247. Thank you for watching.